Lord Sri Krishna has said,
Om iti ekaksharam brahma vyaharan manusmaran yah priyati tejan deham sayati paramam gatim.
focus yourself on Om with each of your breath. As you breathe in, focus on Om only. As you breathe out, focus on Om. Concentration, meditation and trance, all three move together. Deshabandhas chittasya dharana. Before you meditate, you have to create a center. This center can be outside as well, during which you can meditate on an idol. In Tratak, mind is focused on light source. But compared to outside, better would be to make an inner center. Keep Agya Chakra as center. Focus mind on this. Keep Sahasrara as center. Focus over here.
Ida pingla susamana bhuvor madhye pranam avishya.
In Gita, Lord Sri Krishna says, meditate here in Bhumadhya. Regarding concentration, while explaining the Yoga Sutra, Maharishi Vyasa said, tongue tip, that is, concentrate on the tip of the tongue. Here also you can focus your mind. Even on this portion you can concentrate. You can focus on throat pit as well, in the Vishuddhi Chakra. Nose tip. At the tip of the nose where form of Om is created, you can focus over here. You can focus in your heart chakra as well, in the center of the chest, where your feelings are generated, where devotion is generated, where dedication is generated, where divine love is generated. You can focus your mind in the heart. In Anahat Chakra also you can focus. In Manipur Chakra as well you can focus. Also, in Swadhisthana or Mooladhara Chakra one can focus mind. In Nabhi Chakra you can focus. In Heart Chakra you can focus. In Throat Pit you can focus. Concentration on different places will generate different energies. Deshabandhasya chittasya dharana. This only is called concentration. After this starts the meditation. Concentration and meditation are interrelated. And after this trance, all these three are related to each other. And before concentration is the pranayam, and after pranayam control, and after this, when all the five senses are balanced, then concentration. Deshabandhasya chittasya dharana, focusing mind on Agya Chakra on nose tip, on throat pit in heart, and Anahat Chakra, mind is focused on any of these chakra. This is meditation. Tatra pratyekatanata dhyanam. Be one with the Almighty. You are always with Him completely.
Ishavasam sarvam sa otascha protasya vibhu prajasi.
He is present within you and outside you.
Brahma idam amritam purastat brahma pashat.
Whenever you sit for meditation, sit with these feelings that on your right, left, above, below, everywhere He is present.
Vishnu karmani pasyata yato vritani paspase indrasya yujya sakha. Anti santam na jahati anti santam na pashyati devasya pashya kavyam na mamara na jiryati. Tadejati tannejati taddore tadvantike tadantarasya sarvasya tadu sarvasya asya bahyata.
He is present everywhere. You are not able to see Him, but He can see you. Always, each moment. So in this way, you live with the Lord. He is everywhere, within and outside. He is omnipresent. Focus your mind at one center and then concentrate. Concentrate on Om. And there only, feel Om. Om means vibration of nerves. In your heartbeat, you feel Him. Wherever you focus your mind to concentrate, there only, while you are meditating, invoke the supreme power seek His blessings. Through meditation, seek blessings. This earth, the wind, the sky, the fire, the cosmos, the sun, the moon, and great souls are all blessing me. Imagine like that. And meditate. Meditation is powerful. While meditating, you will become like Him, being one, being sober, dissolving ego. Your ego has dissolved, I has dissolved. While remembering the Almighty, you become more close to Him. And while praying for Him, your I melts away. Ego melts away. I is dissolved completely. And then, while praying for that supreme power,
ते तदैव अर्थमात्र निर्भासम स्वरूप शून्यमेव समाधि पुरुषार्थ शून्यानां गुणानां प्रतिप्रसवाः कैवल्यम स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठा चित्त शक्तेः इति.
you become part of Shunya. You become one with Him. While meditating on Om, suddenly you say, Aham Brahmasmi. It's not a mantra, it's a feeling. Tattvamasi Pragyanam Brahma. You become part of Him. I dissolves. Attachments also. Desires also. Where would be then violence? Habit of lying. Also the anger. You gain knowledge. Anger dissolves away. Non-violence, truth, and abstinence, detachment. All these qualities comes in your life on their own. You will not have to do anything. Practice meditation. Other positive impacts would be feeling of affection for everyone.
मैत्री करुणा मुदिता उपेक्षाणां सुख दुख पुण्य पुण्य विषयाणां भावना तच्चित्त प्रसादनम्.
You will always remain happy. Friendliness, kindness, soberness, and nobility will be part of your nature. Non-violence will come in you. Truth will be your nature. You will not be able to lie. You will not be able to hurt anyone. It's the result of meditation. Peacefulness, calmness, universal peace, peace everywhere will come through yoga, through meditation. You will find yourself only everywhere.
यस्तु सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मन्नेवानु पश्यति सर्वभूतेषु चात्मानं ततो न विचिकित्सति.
Such a state comes in when you become very close to yourself. Everybody is within you and you within everybody.
यस्मिन् सर्वाणि भूतानि आत्मैभूत विजानता तत्र को मोहः कः शोकः एकत्वं न पश्यति.
A deep state is reached. You find Lord in you and find yourself within Lord. Then these three come together. Concentration, meditation, and trance. When all these come together, it is called Sanyam. In Agya Chakra, on nose step, in Sahasrar, Vishuddhi Chakra, in Heart Chakra, wherever you focus your mind, there only. Concentration, meditation, trance, all three will come together. Because wherever you focus your mind, the supreme reality comes therein. Absolute reality comes in. All powers come in. Maharishi Patanjali says that
त्रयम् एकत्र संयमः तज्जयात् प्रज्ञालोकः.
in Pragyalok comes divine light. Wherever you meditate, the divine light, divine glow, divine source, luminosity, a strong aura will be generated. It is also called Pratib.
Pratibadha va sarvam. Tajjat pradyalokah tasya bhumishu vinayogah.
Then through meditation, if you have pain in some part of the body or others are suffering, you will provide relief to him also. Problems of self and others are controlled. Meditation will be productive. Use its energies wherever you like for universal welfare. The meditation will give you divine energy.
Nirvichar vaisharadya dhyatam prasadaritam bharatata prajya.
And consciousness.
Tajjat pradyalokah tasya bhumishu vinayogah.
Through this you start getting blessings, powers of yoga also. Whatever power you want, you get it. But those powers
Te samadho upsarga. Vitthane siddha.
hence to achieve the higher state, you will have to forgo these powers. As you meditate deeply, you will experience divinity, divine memory, divine feelings, divine touch, divine knowledge, and many other powers of yoga also. Knowledge of past, future, and present, and knowledge of Trikal, speech of all living things. Yoga gives many other powers, changing the body, moving in sky. Such powers have been described by Maharishi Patanjali in Yoga Sutra, that you will be attracted, you will feel like having that power. But Maharishi Patanjali says, you keep away from them. Just try to find Brahma, the absolute reality, the basis of absolute truth. Keep away from these powers. Trance will give powers. With trance, ailments will go.
व्याधिस्त्यानुसंस प्रमाद आलस्य वृत्ति भ्रांति दर्शन अलब्ध भूमिकत्व अनवस्थित तत्वानि चित्त विक्षेपास्थि अंतराय दुख दूर मनस्य अंग बीजत्व श्वास प्रश्वास विक्षेप सा हुआ तत्प्रतिषेधार्थम एक तत्व अभ्यास.
New experiences and many divine energies. Different powers will be received. Do not get stuck with them. Overcome these illusions. Overcome all attractions without getting stuck with them. Power, energy, ability, fame, capability, everything you will get. But try to overcome all these attractions. Then you will meet your aim on your own. Do not get stuck.
सत्व पुरुषयोः सिद्धि साम्य कैवल्यम.
You have to receive knowledge. You have to receive supreme bliss and liberation. Spirituality has two aspects. Being spiritual, a complete solution of all your problems. It is a therapeutical science. This complete spirituality is the way of achieving liberation, which removes all bondages. Every person is scared. Every person today feels insecure, lonely, and feels sad. All these will also dissolve. You will become divine, become one with Him, who is Lord of this world. You will find Him, who is the Father of fathers, Mother of mothers. He is in your wife, mothers of kids, who gave strength. He is the King of kings. He is the Saint of saints, Perceptor of perceptors.
क्लेश कर्म विपाक स अपरामृष्ट पुरुष विशेष ईश्वर सहि सपूर्वेषाम अपि गुरु कालेन अनच्छेदात्.
The Supreme Lord. Dedication of just 1 second will connect you with the absolute reality. This is meditation.
ईश्वर प्रणिधानाद्वा तीव्र समेगा नामासन्न.
More stronger will be your feeling and your receptivity, your desire to know Him, your craving, your yearning and thirst, your urge. Sooner you will find the absolute reality. Affection, compassion, desire, and love with Him will totally change your life. These hands will become hands of Lord. The voice will become voice of the Lord. The heart will also become part of Him. This brain will have His presence. Knowledge of all 4 Vedas, Gita, Quran, Puran, all Veda will come within you. pilgrimage will be within you. You will become a pilgrimage. And you will become God in the form of human. Just once try to bring him within you. He also wants to come within. The day you completely dedicate yourself, the day you completely surrender yourself to him, for him, you will experience transformation.
यमनियमासन प्रणय प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यान समाधि अष्टौ अंगानि योगांग अनुष्ठानात् असिद्धिक्षय ज्ञानदीप्ति अविवेक्ष्याति विख्याति.
I was saying,
अहिंसा सत्य स्तेय ब्रह्मचर्य अपरिग्रह शौच संतोष तपस्वाध्याय ईश्वर प्रणिधान.
all these qualities will come within you. Therefore, you just practice pranayama and meditation. The result would be trance, complete freedom from diseases, attaining trance. Meditation and pranayama. Practice all these. That is why I insist on 7 pranayams. That will result in this. Then
अहिंसा प्रतिष्ठायां तत्सन्निधौ वैर त्याग सत्य प्रतिष्ठायां क्रियाफल आश्रयत्वम् अस्तेय प्रतिष्ठायां सर्वरत्नोपस्थानम् ब्रह्मचर्य प्रतिष्ठायां वीर्य लाभः अपरिग्रह स्थैर्य जन्म कथनता संबोध.
what were you? From where you have come?
शौचात् स्वांग जुगुप्सा परैर संसर्गः.
From whom?
कायेन्द्रिय शुद्धि अशुद्धिक्षाय तपसा संतोषाद अनुत्तम सुख लाभः स्वाध्याय दिष्ट देवता संप्रयोग समाधि सिद्धि ईश्वर प्रणिधान.
Meditation and disciplined life will completely transform your life. Maharishi Patanjali has said, you will get the whole world from within. You will get pleasure from within. You will get peace from within. Just be with yourself, be silent. Life will become meaningful. Your coming here will become meaningful. You will find him within you. Then only you will understand whom you are searching outside was within you only. Pleasure, peace, and bliss, you are center of these. These are within you. Try to know yourself and recognize yourself. You have wandered enough in this world. Now you be with yourself. Your friend, your father is within you, who created this wonderful world, who created you, who created this universe. Try to know him. His closeness will make you complete. Just be with yourself. You will receive all knowledge. Mysteries will be solved. You have wandered enough, have taken enough rebirths. Now come back, return to be with your father, towards your real home.
यथा नद्यः सन्दमानः समुद्रे अस्तं गच्छन्ति नाम रूपे विहाय तथा विद्वान् नाम रूपादिमुक्तः परात् परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यम्. यह चेत् अवेदित अथ सत्यमस्ति न चेत् यह अवेदित महति विनष्टिः भूतेषु भूतेषु विचिन्त्य धीराः प्रत्यस्मात् लोकात् अमृता भवन्ति.
You will find immortality. The bondages will dissolve, which is liberation, which is trance. This is meditation. You become close to yourself within you, and you become one with Almighty.
तदेव अर्थमात् निर्भासं स्वरूप संयम समाधि.
You become completely silent. Breathing also becomes slow, as if it's not there. You will become full of life. Your speech will be sweet. Everyone in the world will like you. Everybody will follow your steps wherever you go and whatever you do. You have been running after the world since long. You get nothing in fact. Come, now you run towards him, where all this universe is running. He is Brahma. He is the God, the absolute reality. You just be one with your breath. In your prayers, as you enter deep in trance, the world will follow you there. Follow this path only. With your breath, meditate deeply. With this only you will get peace of mind and satisfaction, liberation. desires will weaken, ignorance will be removed. First, you'll find peace, then there will be peace in the world. Just keep on worshipping that Omkar along with your breath. With each breath, invoke Him, keep worshipping Him in absolute silence.